Well, good morning, everybody. Over here at my buddy Brandon's house, we're getting the boat all loaded up. Gonna go head out to Cedar Key here this morning, do some fishing. It's been a long time since I've been out, so very excited to get out with Brandon here, see what we can't get into. But should be a good morning. Weather's good. It's gonna be hot, but that's why we're getting out nice and early this morning. So hopefully we'll be on the water right when the sun's rising. But we'll hopefully catch some good fish and bring you along for the journey. So hope you enjoy. Tied off to the main line, so you drop that down there on the flats, and you just kind of wait until they tick at it and pull one up. So we'll see if we can get one here. Alright, a little update for you guys. We have caught a total of one fish, that being a catfish so far. So no bueno. But we've been bouncing around the flats. We're just trying to find some clean water. You know, maybe find out where these fish might be stacked up. So we've been bouncing around a little bit. So pulled off to another flat here. We're gonna see what happens. And seeing a little bit of activity. I think Brandon just got a bite, actually, so we'll see if this brings anything. It's starting to get hot though, so hopefully the fish start biting. Or so he says. So I think he's been holding out on me this whole morning. He's just trying to mess with me. Oh, seriously. The fish are a little tough. So we're just gonna keep bouncing around until we find them. Hooked up. What you got? Hopefully it's not a catfish. What you got? What you got? I'm gonna say it's a redfish. Hey! Target species. Hey, gonna need a net? Look right here. Alright. Hey! We'll measure on this guy. What we got? Oh, just short. 17 and a quarter. Still a nice fish. Yep. thought he had a nice redfish on again. It's the stinky old stingray. Yeah, not the targeted species, but we'll take them. Something pull on the rod, we'll take it. All right, little buddy, go back, find us the redfish. Find us the redfish. Temperature is 88 degrees, almost 89, so that certainly doesn't help the cause, but we just keep trying to find some deep holes, little pockets here and there, some structure. Got one more spot we're going to go try, and we're getting hot, we're getting tired, so we'll call it a day after that. So I appreciate you sticking around watching, and hopefully in this last clip we can be a wrap for us. We gave it a good try here. The tides kind of died off, and middle of the day, it's real hot now, so we're gonna head back to the ramp, pack it up, call it a day. We might not have caught a lot of fish, but you know, it's still nice being out here, so we're grateful to be able to get out here and do what we like to do. So, and if anybody's needing a scalping trip this summer, hit up my boy Brandon here. Yep, he'll have them dialed in. It's Breaking Nets is his name, his guide service. So if anybody wants to go scalping, give him a shout.